How to turn on or turn off messaging app protection to block malicious images on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down, and in here, tap on security and privacy. After that, we scroll down, and then in here, tap on auto blocker. Now make sure you turn on auto blocker at the top. And then we scroll down to the advanced section. In here, tap on messaging app protection. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. When this is turned on, the phone will automatically block any images suspected of containing malware in the messaging apps. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.